So I was filming the whole time without seeing that my camera only had no minutes left for recording. You know, I started over. So basically, I did my brows with the Benefit Brow. They have new shades. So they sent me 4.5, which I love because I love dark brows. That's what's happening right now. And today I'm going to be using the Dominique Latte palette, which looks like so beautiful. Beautiful, I know. So I wasn't aware that she was even coming out with stuff because I don't keep up with her like that. But when I saw it in Ulta, I was like confused. At first I thought it was like a Dose of Colors collaboration or something, but no, I guess this is her palette, like with her name and everything. I don't know if she has like a whole ass cosmetic line or something. I was hella about it and I use it quite often actually. I wasn't too sure of what I was gonna do, but like when I started filming and you know, like my camera wasn't recording apparently, I thought of something, and so this is what you see on this eye. I'm not done yet. I'm just saying, like, I already got started and stuff. Basically, I have Tarte Shape Tape on my eye. I don't set my my concealer or base, whatever, when I want to do eyeshadows. So first, I start off with caramel, and then I go into hazelnut on my crease. So I'm gonna go back and forth with these two to get this. So first I'm taking the lighter shade caramel with a Morphe 502. It's just a big fluffy blending brush, and I just go in back and forth with this brush. I was saying how I really like the consistency of these eyeshadows. I don't know if you could tell, but they're pretty pigmented, even like just by applying them with a fluffy brush, and they blend really well. Okay, so this is hazelnut, and first I put it on my outer corner, and then I very lightly go into my crease, just like so. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go into Cold Brew. Oh, and all the names of these colors is like coffee related. So I'm gonna go into Cold Brew with like a packing brush, and I'm just gonna pack it on. It's gonna be like a cool tone, warm tone, smoky eye. I love that I didn't have to use like a glitter glue. I didn't have to use Fix Plus. Do you see how pigmented this is? Like, bitch. Okay, so I'm just taking more of that blue. So basically the trick to like smoky eyes is that once you start blending it, I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna fade away. The color's gonna fade away. The trick is to just keep, like, after you blend, just keep packing it on. It's like a really tedious like method, but going back and forth is like your best friend. All I did was apply just the thinnest line I could possibly draw with the NYX matte liquid liner. You don't need to do this if you're just gonna wear lashes, but I'm pretty used to it because I like hiding my lash band. I'm gonna show you guys the lashes I'm using in just a second because I have another pair. So these lashes are like from my local beauty shop and stuff. They're called Mafiosa, and they look like this. This is the packaging of them. Love the holographic little thing. My beauty store, if you live like in the East Bay, in Richmond, there's this shop called the Blush Store, and the lashes look like this. Super cute. These are my favorite lashes. They're, I think, $10, and yeah, They're super fluffy and wispy. I don't really want to show my face routine yet because I kind of want to do like a separate video for it, because I feel like it's changed a lot ever since I did like a full face tutorial. Actually, it has. It's changed completely, actually, I think. So I want to do like a whole separate video for that. So I'll be right back, and then we'll get back to like my eyes, the highlighter. Okay, so I'm kind of done with my face. I'm gonna take the blue color with a flat definer brush. I really like that. Then I'm gonna take this tiny fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take the first color we took, which was caramel. What's this caramel? I say caramel. Okay, and I'm just gonna, this is the hard part because I look up for this part. So before I apply my highlighter, I spray my face with Fix Plus. Okay, for my highlighter, I'm gonna be using MAC's Whisper of Guilt. Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Give it that pop. Can you even tell the difference? Because right now I'm so blind that I can't. So I'm going to be doing one of my favorite lip combos, which is Jouer lip products. The first one is in Noisette, and this one's in Buff. So if you could tell, I apply this one first and then this one kind of in the middle. This gloss is from NYX, and it's the Pump It Up Lip Plumper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna link everything down below. I actually like how it came out. So follow me on Instagram. I gotta go to sleep. It's hell late and my eyes are getting red as fuck.